Big Bill.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Greetings, Bill Nye here. These are my favorite snacks. These Lifesavers. This is a go-to. So everybody, your sense of smell is sauce. When you taste a candy like this exquisite reptile brain, it's getting you deep in your ass, man. I'm gonna just swallow the shit, you guys. We have more bacteria in our gas than there are French people on Earth. You can hope and you can dream. Life doesn't get much better than smooching with our mom and the in-laws. Really funny. Yes, sun chips were created by suns. Whoa. Let's say you're at the beach.
I'm not at the beach, this is a bathtub.
And you're enjoying a ice-cold bottle of peach milk. And I'm not joking. Really funny.